kind of a sad video to make, to be honest. But at the same time, I'm honestly really excited for what change is going to come from this. Obviously, by the title and the thumbnail, you guys know by now, I've decided to sell the F30, and I know it contrasts what I'd wanted to do prior, like just only a couple months ago. But with the number of issues that I'm having with the car now, I just don't want to get down the road and continue to deal with kind of just small electronic, mainly system things that are just gonna be in the way of me actually enjoying modifying the car. I've just noticed that I really enjoy working on the Prelude a lot more, and with the F30, it's just not as fun of a car for me to work on anymore. For that reason, I want to just let it go to a new owner, let it go to a new happy home. I'm gonna spend the next few, probably month or two, taking all the parts off of it, parting it out, and then I'm also gonna be repairing a few things that I know need fixing before I go ahead and sell it. For starters, I gotta go get the F30, bring it into the carport. It's really gross right now, as you can tell. I mean, this is just absolutely a mess, but it's got, you know, all-wheel drive, X-drive, so it should be fine. Just got to get it pulled into here and then start taking off the parts. I'll probably just start with as much on the exterior as I can. Roof rack, taillights maybe. We'll see. The goal for today is going to be to definitely get the front bumper removed so that way I can get behind, and I've got someone who wants the front mount intercooler, so that's got to come off. I'm going to take the wrap off of the, I don't know, I forget what those are called, V-brace bars. I'm going to go ahead and take that off because I'm sure the next buyer probably won't want that. Under the hood, I am going to be taking out the cold air intake, the charge pipe, the boost pipe. I think that's it for the engine bay, and then the tune, I'm gonna be selling that, but I think that is it. Everything else, the body is gonna stay the same. I'm keeping the bumpers, keeping the front lip, the diffuser and all that. The roof rack can come off today, that's an easy one, and we'll see what else we can get done. That might be it for today. Got the front mount intercooler out, ready to put the stock one back in. This one's already off to a buddy who is picking it up, and also got the charge pipe out. This is the stock one sitting there. The BRSF charge pipe is sitting over there. Still have to take off the boost pipe down there, and I also need to get the cold air intake removed as well. So definitely a lot of work to do, but I don't know, I got the roof rack off too. I think that's good for today. it's starting to get dark, so may as well call it and start buttoning things up. I am sorry to let you know that the F30 is getting sold, because I know a lot of you guys are here for that car, and I have to give a lot of credit to the F30 for getting me and this channel to where it is today. So with anything though, sometimes change is necessary, and I've just I'm ready for some change. So I've already got the next vehicle in mind. I'm not gonna tell you anything yet, but if you're into the channel, make sure you stay tuned. We have a new build on the way. And without spoiling anything too soon, we actually have 2 builds on the way. One should be here on Monday, and I'll definitely make a video on that. And the other one is gonna be a couple months down the line after I sell the F30, but 2 new builds on the channel, guys. Don't get too upset. That's gonna wrap it up for today with the F30. I'm gonna go ahead and pick things up again in the next video, so stay tuned if you wanna watch me continue taking this F30 back to stock and just the whole sale process. I'll try and kind of document that for you guys as best as possible. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comments down below what your thoughts are. I am a little nervous to see what you guys think, but hopefully a lot of you are gonna leave some good vibes, and hopefully we can make another cool build on this channel happen. So stay tuned, subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you next time. Keep elevating, and peace out.